Hello my dear students. So let's start the next topic from chapter 2, Lifestyles of Animals. The next topic is breathing in animals. In the last session you all have understood how animals adapt themselves in different habitats. Students, breathing is very important for everyone to stay alive. All animals breathe to stay alive. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. We have all human beings having lungs for breathing. Other animals like birds, mammals and reptiles also breathe with the help of lungs. In humans, we have a pair of lungs in the chest. We breathe through our nose. When we breathe in, our lungs expand and fill in air. Like you can see in the first picture, the oxygen of the air passes into the blood and blood will transport oxygen in whole body. The oxygen is then carried out throughout the body with the help of blood. The carbon dioxide in the blood passes into the lungs and is breathed out through the nose. As the chest contracts, like you can see in the second diagram, oxygen is coming inside, lungs will fill with oxygen and oxygen will be binded with hemoglobin, which is a pigment of blood, and will be transported to the whole body. After that, CO2 will come in lungs, will be transported in lungs with the help of blood and will be exhaled outside from nose. Now other animals like fish, they breathe through gills. The water which goes into their mouth while they are swimming is not swallowed. It will be passed through a pair of gill slits. These are the gills. The gill slits are on each side of its body. As water passes over the gills, the fish take in oxygen and fish will release carbon dioxide which flow out with the water. The oxygen gets absorbed into the blood of the fish. The next, frog. They having the moist skin. A frog breathes through its moist skin in water. As you all know, frogs live on land also and in water also. So when they are inside the water, they will breathe through their moist skin. But when they are on the land, they will breathe through lungs. A tadpole breathes through gills and earthworm breathes through its moist skin. Cockroach, they have spiracles, small holes on their body. In grasshoppers or in all the insects, these spiracles are present. These spiracles lead to air tubes. The air tubes form a network. The network reaches every part of the body and they will breathe like this.